Good morning, guys. Sorry I look a little interesting. I just woke up, but today is Wednesday, April 21st, and I don't really know what today's vlog is going to be, just like a day in my life kind of thing. I don't have class today. I don't have class on any day except for Tuesday and Thursday, but I do like to still be productive, especially on weekdays when I don't have class. So I'm just going to be running some errands. I want to try to get some TikToks maybe. Have some sorority stuff today. Yeah, I don't really know. We'll see where the day takes us. Right now, our cleaning lady is just here, and because of COVID, we have to like stay in our rooms while she's here. So I'm just waiting for her to leave, like make some breakfast. I'm literally starving. I really want oatmeal today. Sorry, I've been like thinking about oatmeal since I woke up 2 hours ago. I'm so hungry, guys. Okay, it's not the prettiest, but like literally this is so good. I've never shown this in a vlog before, but like this is how I make my oatmeal. Literally it tastes like dessert, guys. It's so good. Okay, I was switching it up today. I'm gonna make iced coffee because my oatmeal was like really hot. Okay, it's almost 11 now. I need to get my life together. Normally I'm not this lazy on a Wednesday, but I have stuff to do. It's not as like solid as it normally is. So let's plan that out a little bit. I need like a plan. Okay, so what I normally like to do is Wednesdays are normally my social media work days. Like I do it throughout the week, but like Wednesday is like when I like to shoot things. So today I'm vlogging. That's kind of more of a coincidence actually. But I also like to like shoot other videos too, make TikToks. Yeah, just like be more on it on Wednesdays. So let me just go over like what I need to do. So right now it is about 11. I have a meeting for my class with my professor at 11:30, so that will be the first thing I do. I need to ship a Poshmark order. I need to go to the tailor and pick up some pants I dropped off. I have another meeting at 6. At 8 I have a sorority thing, so basically like I don't know what it's called for other sororities, but like all the frats have sweethearts. Okay, so the internet says a frat sweetheart is a woman chosen by the brothers who is around the fraternity a lot, and they are basically like an honorary member kind of. It says they serve as party guests, public relations advocates, friends to the brothers, and hold various other capacities. That's what frats have. For sororities also have a male equivalent. I don't know what the general term for is, but for Alpha Phi it's called Ivy Man. So tonight we have the Ivy Man nominees like presenting themselves to the sorority, and Mia's boyfriend is one of the nominees. So I think today we're like gonna shoot something really quickly for like his video he's presenting to everyone tonight, and then also he is presenting tonight at 8. So I have that. I'll show a little bit of like that whole process too later. What else? I would like to work out today, but we'll see if that happens. I should film at least 1 or 2 TikToks, which I don't know what they're gonna be yet, but it's part of the brainstorming process. Actually, that's a very solid to-do list. I think I'll be busy. I have stuff to do. That's great. I need a plan. Like I was stressed because I didn't have a solid plan today, but like now that I'm looking at my list, I actually do a lot to do. So I should be occupied. Okay, looking a little bit more presentable now. Hair, makeup. Actually, I'm still wearing the same shirt as I wore to bed, but it's okay. I'm gonna change later. Now I'm just gonna get my errands over with. I'm gonna go to the post office, tailor. I think I might go to the grocery store because I'm out of almond milk and I don't want to deal with that later. So just get that done at least. My camera tripod in my car is literally the worst thing ever. I can never get my camera on. So we're just gonna go handheld. Obviously not when I'm driving, but you know, while I'm in the car. Okay, first stop. What should I do first? Let's do tailor first. Okay, got for the dry cleaning. So next stop, we're gonna go get some almond milk. Okay, where is the almond milk? Okay, milk acquired. Okay, last stop, I need to drop off my Poshmark package. Jordan wants to say hi, vlog.
I do too.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up?
Today will be fun.
Yeah, I told him about Ivy Man.
Woo!
Really excited. Mia's super excited. I think he's got it. Anyway, so vlog, I made some lunch. Actually don't have a recipe for this, but it's so good. It's like a chickpea salad. It's just like mashed chickpeas, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, cilantro, red onion, mayo, and sriracha. I didn't even measure. I just put it all and like smash it. It is so good. It's like kind of like chicken salad, vegan version, not vegan, vegetarian, but it's really good. I made a little sandwich with that. And then these pretzels are the best thing ever. The Dots pretzels.
You got a mini bag?
Yeah, I saw them at Bristol. The Dots home style pretzels. If you haven't tried these, you need to try them. They have them at Target, and I guess like Bristol, they have the mini bags. But like, guys, so good. I've almost finished this whole bag in like 2 days. Okay, it's 1:54 now. I think it's time I get started filming TikTok. So this is my outfit. I think I'm gonna be like in 1 second of these TikToks. They're very simple, so I'm not even gonna like really do my hair. Like, it looks bad, but I think I can make it work for like a second. This tripod is so ratchet. Like, literally the ring light doesn't even work and the cord's cut off. I ordered like a new ring light tripod that should be here later today. This is just like the communal household one that's just really been through it. Okay, kind of a fun angle. Let's get going. Okay, now for some scarf life hack. Okay, I can't film because I need to like change a lot, but you'll see it on my reels and my TikTok when it's done.
Hey vlog.
Okay,
Say hi
so
to Jack too.
This is Jack. We're about to film part of Owen's Ivy Man video.
So we're gonna be recreating the Elwoods Harvard admission tape.
Yeah.
And
Owen's the star.
Owen's Elwoods. So we're gonna see how that goes. We already filmed the jacuzzi scene, if you guys remember that.
Yeah.
So,
I'm so excited to see
it's
this.
gonna be a little interesting. I'm like, oh, Owen. With the DJ stuff.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so funny.
Elwoods is a DJ. Like, whatever words.
Oh my god, yeah, this is my side profile.
As a member of Beta Theta Pi, I am skilled at commanding the attention of a room, discussing very important issues. It's come to my attention that Alpha Phi is in need of a handsome, young, charming, and sexy Ivy man. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Perfect. Oh my god.
Location change.
I'm comfortable using it. I'm comfortable using Alpha Phi jargon in everyday life.
Oh, hey, Owen.
Oh, what's good, Jor?
That was perfect. I got
Nice.
someone.
Okay, now that all the filming is done, it is 5:18 and I have my meeting at 6. So I'm gonna go on a quick run and then I'll show you guys my favorite trail. It's right by LMU, called Bluff Trail. If you go to LMU, you've probably heard of it, but it's so nice to run on. I go on it like all the time now. Like, I went yesterday too. Viewing party.
That's gonna be so good.
I'm unsolved. And for my Ivy Man presentation,
It's not messed up at all.
Why I got to be your Ivy Man live.
Oh, hey, Owen.
Oh, what's good, Jor?
I'm in.
Hey, we're getting ready to log on to Owen's presentation.
I'm the only one.
Jordan, you're too early.
Oh my god, I'm the only one. Bye.
That is too awkward for comfort. I'm sorry.
Guys, why is this screenshot on my computer?
Ooh, that pretty girl.
Wait, how about let's play a game? I give you guys jelly bean, you
And we
guess the
guess.
flavor.
Ooh.
Okay, ready? Don't look.
Oh. What is that? I know it, but I can't think of the name.
Hey! No, I have to put it in.
I put it in. I don't want your dirty hands in my mouth.
Hey! She sniffed!
Hey, don't look at it.
Hi, everyone.
Ah.
Welcome.
Okay,
Here we go.
I have to strap my pants.
Owen's turn.
My heart is going like I'm about to present.
Can you guys see my presentation, okay?
Yo.
Yes.
My name is Owen Solomon. I'm so honored to be here to be nominated.
Okay guys, so that is gonna be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, both at @Ella_Elbells, so be sure to follow me both of those, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!